Hey guys, it's Mariah here, and today I'm going to be installing my first lace frontal from Amazon. I ordered a lace frontal. Oh my gosh, it's shut in the door. It's literally shut in the door. See her? That's her. I will show you the wig in a second, but anyways, it's my first lace frontal install, so if I'm doing things wrong, please comment down below. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've watched tons of videos on how to do this, and let's just hope I get it right. Anyways, if you're here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button to show your love and support for my channel. I'm almost at 100, and I have no idea what I'm gonna do for 100. Like, I don't know, I'm just really excited. Maybe I'll paint something, which is like really off. Maybe I'll do a makeup video, because like I haven't done a makeup video in so long. Yeah, basically years, and I'm way better at makeup now, so maybe I'll film a makeup video and it'll be crazy. So you guys can maybe link some pictures of like something I could do. I don't know. But anyways, let's just get on with this video. So as you can see, my hair is already braided. My mom braided my hair, and then we took a crochet hook. I'll show you. We took this crochet hook that I bought. It came with my Passion twist hair for twist, but I did not get into doing twist yet, so yeah, because I saw the hair and I wanted the hair. So yeah, the things we will be needing today from what I saw is a wig cap. So I got these wig caps off of Amazon, and it also came with one. The wig that I have came with one. So using this wig cap, you will need your foundation of choice. I have to grab mine. You will need a blow dryer. You can wait, but the glue takes a minute to dry, and a blow dryer kind of speeds that up. So you need a blow dryer. You need some razors to cut the lace frontal off the wig. I will link these down below. I got them off of Amazon, and they're really good. So yeah, you will need scissors. I have my professional hair shears right here, and I kind of use these to cut everything. I know you're not supposed to because it makes the scissors dull or whatever, but yeah. Next, you would need some Got2b gel, some freeze spray, just so that you could freeze down the lace cap before you put on the install unit. And then you will need some glue. I heard this glue is amazing. This is the Ghost Bond glue, and so I ordered it. It was like $21 off of Amazon. This was around $4 off of Amazon. I know this giant thing. My wig was $150 or $160, something like that. I will link it down below. I got the 20-inch one, and it's actually pretty long on me, honestly. So yeah, I got that one. And then the cap did come with the hair, and I did have some other caps I bought, but I don't remember how much that cost. Lastly, you will be needing this. This is satin. It's gonna help hold down the glue once the wig is installed. Maybe I'll do my makeup and then do a final reveal. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on for the last and hold my baby ears and all that good stuff. So yeah. So I just wanted to say I made so many mistakes during this thing, and I don't know. I'm so sorry, guys. This isn't a tutorial, but I'd like to think it is. Oh. Is it all dry? I think it is. The only thing is it's not sticking right here, so I might have to like spray it down a little bit. Is this wet? I think it's done. So I'm going to cut the lace now with some scissors, and we'll see how this goes. I'm so scared. Oh, am I supposed to cut? I think I'm supposed to cut holes and then put my ears through them. Like this is what I've seen other people do. So I'm gonna do that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, I am. And then I'm supposed to cut it. Also, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to cut it all. What? Oh, don't pull that. Don't pull that. I felt my hair. Okay, guys. So I just did the lace, and I sprayed it down, and then I kept trimming until I liked kind of like the shape of the hairline. I feel like I should cut it right here, but I don't want to lift it anymore like I got it pretty flat for what it was. This is what it's looking like. I bobby pinned the back of the lace down so that it stays in the back, like I put it under the braids, and then I just did that. So I'm about to actually put on the lace, but to see where it lands, and then where I want it to be. So this is the beautiful lace frontal I got. She is real hair. No virgin here, and you can see some lighting in it. The edge is already pre-plucked, it's pretty see-through. So I'm just gonna put it on real quick. First I'm gonna put on the band, then I'm gonna glue this down, but first let me put it on. I'm gonna put it on this one. I want it pretty tight. It lands perfectly where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna pull it, oh my gosh, down like this one, up. So this goes here. I think it's slanted. I think it is slanted. Let me turn it over just a little bit. Okay. Let me look at it. See, it does not look bad at all. It's cute.
So this lace frontal is actually really great quality, and I would highly recommend. The lace is a little tough, but easy to deal with. Anything other than that, it's really, really good, and I highly recommend.
I'm going to place it on the glue where I want it. Here, 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 all the way down. Did I do this right? Hopefully I did this right. Maybe I should got to be glue it down and then tie it with this thing and try to let it rest for a minute. So I'm so scared that it's gonna come out. Okay, so I cut off the lace and this is how it's looking. I don't think it actually looks too bad. It doesn't look bad at all. Let me take down the hair really quick. Like imagine once like the baby hair is in and everything like that, like I think it looks really good. The only thing was laying this thing down was like really stupid, like it was hard. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to cut this off right here, but it's hooked to the other part of the wig, so that's why I don't want to cut it off, and it also has glue in it. So I'm just gonna do like my baby hairs and see if like that fixes that right there. But let me make a center part because I don't know. Actually no. So it's like, I don't know what this hair is trying to do. And I'm gonna ask my mom to cut the lace in the back because yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. I found my edge brush. I'm gonna put some loose on these baby hairs like this. Oh my gosh, this is weird. This feels so weird.
I just wanted to say I completely ended up going over this, I guess doing my edges. So if anyone could give me some tips, I would love to take some because, oh my gosh, it was so hard and I ended up just forgetting it.
So this is it. I don't know what I'm gonna do styling wise, but the baby hairs were way too thick. So I just pushed them back and I like took something else and kind of like just swooped it over like this. And that kind of keeps it out of my face. It feels very secure. Like the glue is nice, the sides look nice. This is what it's looking like. I honestly don't think it looks too bad at all. Like I'll definitely wear this out while I have no choice to wear it out. So my hair is braided under this. But I love it. I love it a lot actually. It's so cute. I was thinking about cutting bangs into it, but I don't know. For me, I think I like it flipped like this. But honestly, it doesn't look half bad. I absolutely love it. I like it. I like it a lot. How long is it? It's pretty long. It's like almost as long as my hair. It's like pretty much the same length as my hair. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys have an amazing day. And please, if you have any tips how to install wigs, please put it in the comments down below because this is my first wig install. I've never installed a wig before this or anything like that. And I feel like this looks pretty good for my first time. I mean, yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button, show your love and support for my channel. And other than that, peace out.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, share love, support for my channel, and other than that, peace out.